Hey guys, this is Annie from Red Glasses. I've traveled quite a bit over the last 2 years, and some of my friends asked me to do city guides for them, so here it is. Last month in May, I went to Stockholm. To me, Stockholm is about clean air, boats, and herrings. The must-visit here is the Vasa Museum, where you can see a 300-year-old ship that sank within minutes after it touched the water. While you're on the museum island, walk around, enjoy the view and the crisp air, and more boats. If you're not into touristy cruise, take a ferry and hop around the islands that way. After that, make your way to the Fotografiska, the photography museum. Get some coffee on the top floor and enjoy the waterfront view there. Oh, pastries! I had been having a cinnamon bun every morning when I was there. Of course, if you're not into cinnamon bun, there are many other delicious pastries there. Last but not least, take a stroll in the neighborhoods. Check out some design shops and look up and appreciate many baby yellow painted buildings. If you like my video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up.